If you're an electrical business owner looking to streamline your operations, then this quick guide on how to use Housecall Pro for electrical businesses is for you. Housecall Pro offers everything you need to run your business smoothly. Whether it's managing appointments, invoicing, or keeping track of customers, this software is designed to make life easier. And stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing how you can get started with Housecall Pro completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive in. First, one of the best features of Housecall Pro is its scheduling and booking system. You can easily set up appointments, assign jobs to your technicians, and even send reminders to your clients. This feature is especially useful for electrical businesses that need to manage a variety of jobs at different locations. You can easily access your calendar and update it in real time, making sure that no job gets missed or double booked. Next up is invoicing and payments. With Housecall Pro, you can generate professional invoices on the spot and even process payments directly through the app. It integrates with major payment systems like Stripe so your clients can pay seamlessly. This eliminates the need for paper invoices, speeding up your cash flow and making your accounting more efficient. Plus, you can set up automated payment reminders so you're never chasing down payments again. Another great tool is the customer management feature. Housecall Pro helps you keep track of your client history, including past jobs, services provided, and any warranties or recurring services. You can quickly access a client's full history, making customer service much easier. Plus, you can send personalized follow-ups to keep your customers engaged and coming back. Whether you're offering annual maintenance or a special promotion, this feature keeps everything organized. Then, let's talk about the mobile app. The Housecall Pro mobile app is a game changer for electrical businesses that are constantly on the go. Your technicians can access job details, update their status, and even take photos or videos of the work they've done. It also gives them real-time directions to job sites, which is incredibly helpful when you're working in different neighborhoods every day. Plus, they can send clients an invoice or get signatures on the spot so the job's done and paid for in real time. Housecall Pro also offers a powerful marketing suite that helps you grow your business. From automated text reminders to email campaigns, it gives you the tools you need to stay top of mind with customers and attract new ones. You can also track performance with analytics to see what's working and where there's room to improve. Whether it's promoting seasonal discounts or gathering reviews, Housecall Pro gives you all the tools to build your brand and grow your business. For those of you who need a bit more control over your operations, Housecall Pro lets you customize your settings to fit your business's specific needs. You can adjust things like pricing, service areas, and scheduling preferences. This means it's adaptable, whether you're a solo electrician or a growing team of technicians. Now, I know you're here to learn how to use Housecall Pro for electrical businesses, and I've only scratched the surface. There's so much more you can do with this platform, but the good news is that you can try it for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, if you sign up through our exclusive offer, you'll get some extended bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. So whether you're looking to manage schedules, process payments, or grow your client base, Housecall Pro is the software you need to keep your electrical business running smoothly. Make sure to click that link below to start your free trial and take advantage of our special bonuses today.